In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an Odoo database. If you need to remove a database from your Odoo account, the process is quite simple once you know where to look. Just make sure you're deleting the correct database before you confirm anything, since this action is usually meant for databases you no longer need. It's a good idea to quickly review the database name in advance so you don't remove the wrong one by mistake. To get started, go to Odoo and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon and from the menu that appears, select My Odoo Account. This will take you to your account area where you can manage different settings and services connected to your Odoo profile. Once you're in your account area, look again at the top right corner and click your profile icon one more time. From there, choose My Databases. This section is where Odoo lists the databases associated with your account, so if you're looking to remove one, this is the place you need to be. After opening My Databases, you'll see the databases currently available under your account. Take a moment here to carefully identify the one you want to delete. This is especially important if you have more than one database, such as a test database, a staging database, or a live working database. Double-checking at this stage helps avoid deleting something important. When you've found the correct database, select it and proceed with the delete option shown there. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the deletion. Depending on your setup, Odoo may ask you to confirm the action before it's finalized. Read the confirmation message carefully so you understand exactly what is being removed. And that's it. Once confirmed, the selected database will be deleted from your Odoo account. As a final tip, if you think you might need any of the data later, it's always smart to make sure you've already saved or backed up what you need before deleting the database. That's the full process for deleting an Odoo database. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.